Hi friends, welcome. Today we are going to see how to measure distance using measure tool in iPhone. For this first you need to open utilities. Now I am opening utilities. Then you need to click on the measure. Now I am clicking on the measure. Then it will open this interface. And here if you observe we have one point. Just you need to click on the plus sign. Suppose I want to calculate the distance. First, what is the starting point? Just you need to click on the plus sign. Now this is my starting point. Just drag from what is the end point. Now I want here, and then again click on the plus symbol here. Now this is the 15 centimeter. In same way, if you want some other distance also, just here I want this distance. Now this is my starting point. Now I am clicking on the plus symbol, then just drag, and this is my end point. Just again click on the plus symbol. This is 12 centimeters. And if you want to show all the previous values, you need to click on this three signs at the top left. You have the like 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters, like that. And if you want to clear it, just click on the clear and everything will be cleared. Thanks friends, thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.